Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing a contained environment so installs don't conflict. Create a virtualenv and pip install requests, Beautiful Soup 4, and LXML. Once done, open the page and use the browser inspector to find the exact HTML selectors you need, because precise selectors cut errors. Now write a small requests. Get call to fetch the page and confirm a 200 status. This proves you can reach the site. Make sure to set a realistic user agent header to avoid simple blocks. Once you have the HTML, instantiate Beautiful Soup with the LXML parser so parsing stays fast and predictable. Then use Select for CSS selectors or Find All for tag-based searches. Filter attributes or rejects when needed to avoid noisy siblings. After extraction, normalize values. Strip whitespace, collapse new lines, and convert date strings to ISO or numbers to floats so downstream code can trust types. If pagination exists, loop requests with incremental parameters and pause between calls to respect rate limits. Finally, persist cleaned records to CSV, JSON lines, or a database with consistent column types so you can query later. Make sure your scraper includes retry logic and exponential backoff and always honor robots. TXT and site rate limits to stay compliant. If elements are missing, suspect dynamic JavaScript, switch to a headless browser like Selenium or locate the underlying JSON API endpoint. If you still fail, inspect network requests and compare responses. That single.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.